Just as you can simplify assemblies into sub-assemblies, weldments can be simplified into sub-weldments, and this allows you to break down a complex design into easier-to-manage portions. Here I have a weldment design. I like to break this down into 4 sub-weldments. In the cut list, I'll Control-select the items I wish to include in the first sub-weldment. Since items are difficult to tell apart from the list itself, I recommend enabling the solid body selection filter. You can do this by first activating the filter toolbar by right-clicking in an existing toolbar and enabling Selection Filter, then selecting Filter Solid Bodies. I want to point out that when using selection filters, I tend to use the F5 key on my keyboard. This is a SolidWorks shortcut, allowing you to turn the filter toolbar on and off with a simple push of a button. Now you can make your selection directly from the graphics area. With the first group of items selected, I'll right-click on one of the selected items and select Create Sub-Weldment. This creates a new subfolder within the cut list folder. I'll repeat the process for the next group of items. Once again for the next group. And one last time for the final group. Now if I take a look at the cut list folder, you can see all structural members are contained in their own subfolder. This is a nice visual way of separating sub-weldments, but let's see what effect this will have on the cut list when it's added to a drawing. I have a drawing with an isometric view of the weldment already in place. I'll insert the weldment cut list and position it on the sheet.